Hi, my name is Bernie. I'm a respiratory therapist and I'm going to go over how to use this nocturnal oximeter your doctor's ordered for you tonight. First of all, we have 3 questionnaires: a bedtime questionnaire, a sleep disorder questionnaire. It has 38 statements. If any of them are true, circle the number in front of it. And then one you'll fill out tomorrow morning called a morning questionnaire. And again, the big one there is how many times you woke up during the night. So now what we're going to do is review the equipment. We have a monitor, a finger probe that works like a clothes peg, and tape. So when it's bedtime, you climb into bed. Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
So this would go on your left hand, on your middle finger or your ring finger. You can see I just put it on.
Okay.
Then you're going to take the tape and you're going to tape around the wire, not the probe, the wire here. Then you'd make a fist for me and you tape it around your wrist as well so it doesn't come off. Now you'll turn it on. I'll just take that off right now.
Okay.
And go ahead, turn it on by pushing the green button. That turns it on and you'll see it'll have 3 or 4 green lights and a yellow light, and it goes through a self-cycle check. And most importantly, you'll see there's a red light at your finger.
Okay.
Okay, so you know it's working. At this point, you are going to put this on a bedside table or a chair beside your bed, or a drawer if you have that. You can put it inside a drawer, but make sure you don't crush the wire. All right? Not under your pillow, not on the floor, please.
Okay.
Then off to sleep you go. If you wake up, you have to go to the bathroom, you take this with you. All right? Hang on to the cable so you don't trip. All right? So we want a continuous monitoring all night long for a minimum of 5 hours. That's the goal tonight, is we want 5 hours of data during your sleep time. You don't necessarily need to be sleeping, but sleep time. In the morning, or it's time to get up and get on with your day, or a minimum of 5 hours has been achieved, push down that green button again for 2 seconds. 1, 1000, 2, 1000, look at that, it turns it off. Now you're gonna fill out that morning questionnaire and return this to the Respiratory Therapy Department, all the items together here, by 9:15 in the morning. Park in the front where it says 10-minute drop-off zone, and then just upstairs to the Respiratory Department, and there you go, done.
Okay. I think I got it, but could I review that?
Please
just in
do.
case? Okay, so sometime before I go to bed, I fill out the bedtime questionnaire and the green one. When I'm ready to go to sleep, I put it on my finger, I tape it at the base of my finger and on my wrist.
Correct.
Turn it on using the green button. I have to have it on my finger and collect the information for at least 5 hours.
Excellent.
If I get up to get a drink or what have you, I take it with me.
Excellent.
In the morning when I'm ready to wake up, I use the same button. I push it down for 2 seconds until the lights go off to turn it off. I take the tape off, put the probe and everything back in the bag. I fill out the morning questionnaire about how well I slept.
Excellent.
I put the papers into the bag and I bring it back to the respiratory department by 9:15.
Excellent. We're set.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks.